Hello, David Zritsky for the Bond Experience. Welcome back. I know what you're saying. You're saying, David, they've pre-launched the video 007 First Light. We've seen the premiere. We've seen all the playthroughs. We've seen the engagement. Now, we've seen the talking of the details. Is there anything left new to discuss? Heck, we've even talked about the marketing of it. And I'm here to tell you, yes, I didn't know there would be new things to talk about, but this is the thing that IOI and Amazon MGM are just doing right. They're slowly letting things go through and surprising and delighting us. And today I'm here to tell you I just received a package in. And I don't want to play coy. I don't want to be one of these people that has a channel and say like, I'm shocked. I don't know what it is. Let me tap this like an influencer and get some ASMR and crunchiness. Like I'm not mogging, right? That's a thing where you just eat and anyway. I know what this is, but I didn't expect this, and it's a wonderful delight. But I'll take you back real quick before I open this, although you're getting a little bit of a sneak preview if you have eagle eyes here. I was a part of the pre-launch of the game with IOI. They brought me to Los Angeles, they brought me to London, all these different things. Chatted with the actors, the makers, the creators, played the game early, all this stuff. All I'm saying is, as a thank you, they have sent these packages out to those other people. And there were about 300 across the world that were a part of this. You can see the number 300. So this is number 64. Ooh, missed it by that much. 64 of 300 packages that were sent out. And I didn't know, I didn't expect, I didn't assume I was going to get something, but here it is. And I wanted to show you what's in here. First of all, it came with this gold. I haven't opened this. You know how much this was killing me? A real influencer would be like, listen to the sound of the gold bubbles. Sound, I just want to rip this thing open. The Bond channel. All right, oh, this looks quite nice. Oh, smell-o-vision, it smells good for some reason. Probably coming from Denmark. Look at this, 007 First Light VIP edition, earn the number, IOI and Amazon MGM Studios. So lovely, very nice hard card. Oh, this is extremely like formal. It almost looks like a wedding or a bar mitzvah invitation. 007 First Light, earn the number. I'm going to read this to you. VIP edition. Greetings, David. That's me. We've intercepted credible intel that you're a promising candidate to receive a 007 First Light VIP edition ahead of the game's highly anticipated launch on May 27, 2026. Ooh, okay. This package contains classified materials such as a Golden Gun figurine, a form-fitting display stand, an encrypted message, and other collectibles. Whoa. Following this mission briefing, should you decide to post any of those materials online, embargo set for May 22nd, 2026 at 5 p.m. I think that's okay, considering it's July 19th. Will you have what it takes to earn the number? I already know I have what it takes to earn the number, good sir and madam. But let me see if I can put this together, this DIY thing. So we're going to see what's in the box. One day I'm going to do this, and it's going to be Gwyneth Paltrow's severed head. And won't they get the last laugh? Just saying. All right. Well, no shock. It's a box within a box. Oh, hold on a second. If I was a little younger, my mom would be like, don't throw the wrapping out. Why, Mom? What does that even mean? Here we go. First impressions. 007 First Light VIP edition. I always wonder, like, how do you get these things out without... All right, just gravity, David. Don't overcomplicate it. Just gravity. So, very nice box. Lots of 007 branding as you would. A nice little continuation of the 007 because I earned the number. I did it. All right, so here we go. Aha, foam. Which, by the way, whenever I see foam, this is like foam-mo. I get nervous of what's in here, FOMO. It's a dad joke. But I do because now I'm wondering if it's like how breakable this thing is, and I don't want to break it. I would be the one guy to review this unboxing and break it. I would be that guy. All right. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury. Oh! Well, this is good. All right, so like IKEA, they have instructions, which I'm going to make a determination of whether I bore you with these instructions to put this together. Holy, this is a nice, long, chunky letter. Let me paraphrase it. Let's see if I can do this on the fly. First of all, it's from the game director and CEO, Hakan Abrak, who was at the premiere. Nicest guy, most normal guy you could ever meet, good leader. Dear player, on behalf of everyone at IOI Interactive, thank you for picking up 007 First Light. This title is more than a game. It's a celebration of everything that brought us here and everything we're about to embark on together. James Bond is a character who has defined the espionage genre for generations. Taking on the responsibility of crafting an origin story for the world's most famous spy is a privilege we don't take lightly. In 007 First Light, we wanted to dive into the aspects of this iconic character that have never been seen before to explore what shaped Bond into the legend the world would come to know. They did it. They did it. As you step into this world, know that it was crafted by a team of lifelong Bond fans, artists, designers, and developers who grew up inspired by the legacy of 007. True. Everybody I've met, from the actors to the storytellers to the creators to the content moments, they are fans, huge fans. Every detail was shaped with the same care, precision, deep respect we brought to our work from the very beginning. The game exists because of you, the players whose passion for stealth, storytelling, and style have made this journey possible. Thank you from myself and the entire team for your trust and support. We can't wait to experience what comes next. Now go. Go, 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 go. 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 Go earn the number. Very nice note. And woo, wow, okay. There we go. We've got a number right here, number 64 of 300. I'm going to, wow, this is like very weighty, lovely flocking. And here, oh, very cool. Wow, that is shiny gorgeous. Take a look at this. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. Now, I know from other people it's not removable, but my gosh, this is absolutely stunning looking. I'm going to remove it from here. I really should read how to display this, but take a look at that. Should we give this a try now? I see this little, I'm trying to do it without the instructions. I'm gonna fail miserably. There's a little pull tab here. Oh, look at this. We've got, this is so cool. This is so Q Branch. Maybe I didn't watch reviews of this because I wanted to be surprised, but this is metal. Hold on, ASMR. Oh, hold on. Metal and, inside you've got a lovely card, certificate of authenticity right there. And then this, I know where this goes. A lot of people had trouble with this. Ooh, very satisfying, walnut cracking. This, check this out. Goes, you see this? See that? I only know this because I watched people lament over this. Oh, it's magnetic. Look at that. Oh, that is sharp. That is sharp. I'm not sure what this button is, but whatever it is, I just pressed it in. So I hope that was something supposed to go in. This might not be magnetic. No, I think it is magnetic. You just can't turn it upside down, David. I'm not editing anything because I'm a real human being doing this. All right. So, I know what that's for. Okay, I got to go back in here. Can you tell that I don't fix things around the house? All right, so there's a stalk. See the stalk right there? And there's a little wire to power something. So I bet you any amount, let's see if I can't destroy this. I bet you any amount that this goes here. Let me see if I can do this. It's going to be precarious, okay? Because I'm desperately trying not to cut. Because I want to show you truly that I am more Q than Bond. I'm a little bit of a bumbling fool. Oh, come on, David, give yourself more credit. All right, and that goes here, except I did it wrong. I'm cutting. Okay, I got it. Did it take me 6 hours? No, but there it is. So take a look. We're going to put this 007 back in the crevice, like so. Take a look at that. Wow. That is, let me straighten it out. This is going to look amazing on the shelf. It'll make a nice place. But there's a little personalization that goes on with these Legend packs. And this is so cool. So in the one that most people would get, you remember there's the multiple bullets, the 007 bullets, and you've got the nice engraving on that one still. But you're going to notice there's a TV. There's a reason there's a TV. So let's power this on and see what it's about. I'll hit the power. Let's see if I do it right. Oh, it's going on.
David.
Well met. Ah, I know what you're thinking. The mask. It's a bit much, isn't it? Clearly this bloke is off his rocker. Then again, maybe that's what he wants you to think. Food for thought.
So, I hear you're chasing a number.
It's most enterprising of you. If I may offer you just one friendly piece of advice. Quit now. Walk away. Seek your glory and your validation elsewhere. Or this will be the last face you ever see. Good talk.
Okay, that is what I was waiting for. That's everything. I mean, oh.
David.
Oh, what?
Well met.
Oh, you're Mathieu. No, we're good. Thank you. But that's the personalization. That's the blow away moment. There is something unique I want to talk about here because I do know that most people that were part of the press junket, they received this right before the game came out. There were a few that were caught in our wonderful mail and shipping system. Mine was one of them. Thwarted by this guy, which I'm not going to tell you who he is because spoiler alert. But there is something, and maybe I'm a glass half full guy, and there's something very cool about getting it after the fact. You know, after I've played the game, after I've solved the game and started to play it for a second time, after I've had friends play the game, after we went to parties and talked about it and, you know, gone through the journey of all the people that created the game itself, to receive something like this, it's almost like, it's like when you've had this wonderful, wonderful dessert and it's delicious. And somebody comes over and goes, oh my gosh, you know what? I almost forgot the whipped cream and the cherry. Let me put the whipped cream and cherry on top. This is phenomenal. And it's a great, really great jaw-dropping souvenir of my time with IOI, with Amazon MGM, and the game itself. I mean, you know, will it get a little bit quieter as far as the discussions? Well, I think they keep ramping up and launching things, and I think they're going to be keeping launching things. So as they do that, I think it's fair to say there will be more things to talk about. But what an amazing, amazing surprise that I've received, and I appreciate it. I really do. And it's going to go with the collection. It'll be well loved. And thank goodness it was a great game. Because if I'd received this and it wasn't a jaw-dropping game, I'd be like, heh, heh. But it wasn't. It blew me away, blew everybody away. All right. Thank you so much to the powers that be that sent this. I'll probably be pressing play about 16 more times and irritating my family. But that's what happens when you're a kid that refuses to grow up. Just saying. All right. This has been David Zaritsky for the Bond Experience with a crazy 007 First Light opening and having fun. And we will talk to you soon. Take care. Thanks for watching the Bond Experience. If you like what you saw, why don't you subscribe to the channel by clicking this button right here. We'll keep you up on everything new that's happening in the world of Bond. And speaking of something new, here's something new just for you because we know you so well. Talk to you soon.